In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Uber Eats and Doordash at the same time. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Uber Eats and Doordash at the same time, which is also known as multi-apping, can be a great way to maximize your earnings as a delivery driver. However, it's important to be aware of the risks and the responsibilities involved. So I'm gonna give you simple to follow instructions or steps on how to multi-app with Uber Eats and DoorDash. Keep in mind that in this video, I'm not going to go over the process of registering to become a delivery driver. I'm only going to talk about multi-apping in detail. So first, the basic requirement, of course, is to have both apps installed and to be logged in. Assuming that you went through the process to become a delivery driver for both of them, this should already be done on any mobile device that you have. Now, when it comes to actually starting to make deliveries, you need to be strategic about accepting orders. Focus on one order at a time. Accept an order from one platform and complete it before accepting another. This will help you avoid delays and potential issues with both deliveries, so you don't get mixed up or you get out of your default track or path and you just end up delaying the other order. Prioritize better offers. If you receive an order on one platform that is significantly better than the other, consider canceling the less appealing one. It might not be that much of a loss, assuming that you get the good order delivered. Pause one app while completing the order. So instead of staying online on DoorDash, let's say, while you do an Uber Eats order, it's best that you turn DoorDash off and then you will be able to focus on the best order on Uber Eats for this example. Now, manage your time efficiently. You need to plan your route efficiently. Consider the pickup and drop-off locations for both orders. Try to optimize your route to minimize travel time and delays. So whenever you are close in a well-heated location or there's a lot of order popping, try to keep both apps online, and once you do receive an order, you can turn the other one offline and focus on making that one and plan your route efficiently. Communicate with the customers if you encounter delays due to multi-apping and politely inform both the customers about the situation and provide updates. However, you need to be aware of the risks. This violates the platform terms. Both Uber Eats and DoorDash have policies against multi-apping. While you can do it, if you are caught, you could face deactivation from the platform. The delivery delays. Multi-apping can increase the risk of late deliveries, which can negatively impact your ratings and earnings. So unless you are super comfortable doing this and you believe that you won't crumble under the pressure, it's not a recommendation to do it. And the last thing are the accidents and liability. Multitasking can be stressful, just like I mentioned, and increase the risk of accidents. So ensure that you are focused. This is why it's very important for you to turn off one app while working on the other. And you essentially only turn both on when you're trying to look for that next great offer for you to make a delivery. They should only be used so you can seek out more deliveries and more orders instead of trying to use them both at once. Some additional tips including using a phone with multiple SIM cards or separate devices so you can run both apps simultaneously and receive notifications from both platforms, and you can easily go online or offline without having to tap your phone screen and switch between the apps constantly. You can just dedicate one screen to one app if you have multiple phones, and you can consider using multi-apping apps which allow you to organize and get the orders from multi-platforms simultaneously. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Uber Eats and DoorDash at the same time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.